Today I am sharing our January monthly pin tag. Guys, it's our second to last monthly pin tag of the year. We've made it. This one's posting a little late, but we're making it. One more month to go after this. So hopefully by now you know the drill. I have a bunch of questions that I've created pertaining to the month that we're in, January, and we're gonna answer them all with pins. So as always, I wanna know, what is your favorite pin that you have acquired this month? So I've selected this DVC Mickey pin. I got this pin on our trip to Walt Disney World, and I actually picked this one up on January 1st when we were still in the parks. It is little Mickey pulling his luggage. New year, new pins. What is your favorite new addition to your collection? Another pin you're getting a sneak preview of from our Walt Disney World trip. It is little Duffy. I traded for this pin in the park. So little Duffy here, this pin is actually from Alani. Look at how happy he is. Honestly, this is probably one of my favorite pins. I'm just obsessed with Duffy and Friends. They're so adorable. You're gonna see another pin from Duffy and Friends later on in this video. In celebration of Baby New Year, show us your favorite baby pin. And I've got a double whammy for you. It is baby Hercules and baby Pegasus. So this pin is actually a slider pin. It's got that moving element of Hercules and baby Pegasus riding through the sky. It's a nice gold metal, and it features lots of pretty pastel colors. Festival of the Arts has already started this month, so I want to see a pin that represents something artistic. And I selected Little Remy here for the culinary arts. So this is another sneak peek from our trip. It's Little Remy. He's grabbing his chef hat, looking so cute. This has a nice hand-drawn artist rendering feel to it. The zodiac sign Aquarius starts this month, so show us a pin that represents Aquarius. Now, Aqua, Aquarius, obviously Little Mermaid here. Not sure if I've shown this pin yet. Hopefully I didn't. Comment below if you think you've seen it before. But this pin is Ariel, and she is combing her hair with her dingle hopper. And she has some nice glitter detail in her fins, and then that kind of built fin accent around her waist. Next up, I want to see what pin best describes your New Year's resolutions. So one of my big resolutions for this year is to focus. So who better to represent some serious focus than Tiana? She is hardcore focused on her dreams. So Tiana here is from a cutie series of all the princesses, and just like the rest of them, she is just looking adorable. I love the dress, how it feels like she's running through a ballroom or something. As the gemstone of the month, I want to see a pin inspired by Garnet. So I selected this Little Mermaid pin. So this Little Mermaid pin is actually from a lanyard series, and she just has that beautiful red hair flowing down. So I thought that was perfect for January's gemstone. January 18th is Blue Monday. Hope you got through it okay. So I want to see your best blue pin. And I selected this adorable little Cinderella carriage. So this little Cinderella carriage is actually a beautiful blue color. It's almost like a little periwinkle blue. And it has a nice gold metal, so you know I just love this. Bet you didn't know, but January 27th is National Bubble Wrap Appreciation Day. I appreciate popping those bubbles. So I want to see a pin that you've received in bubble wrap. I picked this adorable little Olu pin. I actually got this in my box swap, my advent calendar box swap from Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So this little Olu pin features Olu in some beautiful sparkly blue water. He's just flowing along on a floaty with his ukulele, just loving life at Alani like I want to be. And it's actually a pin-on-pin design. And last but certainly not least, Festival of Sleep Day. Yes, that's a thing. It was on January 3rd. I hope we got lots of sleep that day. I want to see your sleepiest pin in your collection. So I picked this little Minnie Mouse pin. Baby Minnie Mouse here. This is scrapper, 110%, but it's just so cute. I have to keep it forever. It features baby Minnie and she is in her pajamas looking adorable. Any moment now, you know she's gonna be so tired and snuggling up and sleeping. Well guys, that is it. I am going to tag 2 channels. I hope you can do it because I know I'm putting this out super late, but I'm tagging Savage Disney Pins. Sarah and Rocky have done a couple of these and I just love seeing their collection because I think they probably have the best pin collection in like the small YouTuber community. It is insane. And next I'm going to tag Courtney over at Science Life Disney Love. Courtney has completed every single one of these. You're amazing, Courtney. Thank you so much. And finally guys, I'd love for you to comment below and tell me what was your favorite pin that I showed you today. I'll see you real soon. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.